What if I told you that millions of people around the world are cleaning their homes in completely new ways in 2026, and most of these hacks look too simple to even work? Hacks so satisfying, so smart, and so effortless that once you try them, you'll never go back to your old routine. From lazy tricks that save hours to viral methods that make cleaning feel almost automatic, these are the top cleaning hacks of 2026 that everyone is trying right now. And trust me, some of these will genuinely shock you. Before we dive in, take 1 second to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss viral home hacks like these. Why cleaning hacks went viral in 2026? In 2026, people are done with exhausting routines, harsh chemicals, and wasting weekends on deep cleaning. Life is faster, smarter, and more efficient, and cleaning had to evolve too. Viral cleaning hacks exploded because they focus on three things people actually care about: saving time, saving money, and reducing effort. These hacks don't just clean, they simplify life. That's why they spread like wildfire across social media. Hack number 1. Clean before it looks dirty. This hack sounds strange at first, but it's one of the most viral habits of 2026. Instead of waiting until something looks dirty, people clean surfaces lightly before grime builds up. This hack turns heavy cleaning into almost nothing. The result? Homes that stay clean without ever feeling like work. Hack number 2. The one product rule. In 2026, cluttered cleaning cabinets are out. Viral cleaners are using one multi-purpose solution for almost everything. Fewer products mean faster decisions, less confusion, and less mess. People realized the real problem wasn't cleaning. It was choosing what to clean with. Simplifying products simplified life. Hack number 3. Spray, walk away, relax. One of the laziest yet most satisfying viral hacks is letting time do the work. Instead of scrubbing immediately, people spray cleaner and walk away. Whether it's soap scum, grease, or stains, letting products sit breaks dirt down naturally. When you return, wiping takes seconds. Hack number 4. The 60-second reset rule. This hack took social media by storm because it's realistic. The rule is simple. Spend just 60 seconds resetting a space before leaving it. Hack number 5. Shoes never touch the floor. In 2026, shoe rules became viral for a reason. Homes that remove shoes stay cleaner longer. Floors, carpets, and rugs instantly benefit. Less dirt means less mopping, less vacuuming, and less effort. Hack number 6. Baking soda is back, but smarter. Baking soda went viral again, but this time people use it strategically. Instead of scrubbing with it, they use it to absorb odors overnight. Hack number 7. Cleaning tools where messes happen. One of the most practical viral hacks is placing tools exactly where messes occur. This removes friction. No walking around, no delays. When cleaning is instant, it actually happens. Hack number 8. The no-fold laundry trend. Laundry folding became optional in 2026, and people loved it. Instead of folding everything perfectly, viral cleaners sort clothes directly into drawers or hang items straight from the dryer. Hack number 9. Declutter first, clean second. People finally realized something important. Cleaning clutter is pointless. Viral cleaners remove unnecessary items first, then clean. Fewer objects mean fewer surfaces to dust and wipe. Hack number 10. Night reset equals morning peace. This hack went viral because of how it feels. A 10-minute reset at night. People reported feeling less stressed and more motivated. Cleaning has officially changed. 2026 proved that cleaning doesn't have to be hard, boring, or exhausting. With the right hacks, your home stays clean quietly in the background. Less effort, less stress, more time for what actually matters. Click the link in the description box to join our free cleaning community. If you enjoyed these top viral cleaning hacks of 2026, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the next smart home trend. Share this with someone who still cleans the hard way, because once you go smart, you never go back.